Guess who came back? How can I not? You guys have seen the pallets I've gotten. Like, how can I not just go back as much as I can? This is the hard part of doing these pallets. Even when I'm overwhelmed with inventory, I still feel like I want to go back every single week and get more. So I'm just gonna try to pass the blessings on to you guys. Hey guys, I'm just editing this video and I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna be selling a lot of this stuff on Whatnot. I'm gonna be trying it out. The link is down below if you're curious and you wanna follow me on Whatnot. It's an app that allows you to quickly auction items off within like 30 seconds, a minute. You can bid on items and usually get a really good deal. So if you're wanting a good deal on some of the stuff that you're seeing today, or that you've seen in my other liquidation pallets, I'm gathering them together. I'm gonna be auctioning them off. I've got to clear up space, and if you can snag a great deal, I want that for you. So definitely give me a follow, and now back to my video. This pallet didn't have a lot of bidders on it. It was only like $500, which kind of doesn't make sense to me. This is the cheapest pallet I've gotten. So what happened is I bid on it thinking, oh, someone will outbid me, and no one did. So it came home with me. Here it is.
This is the latest?
This is the latest. I only paid $550 for all this stuff, and it really wasn't well advertised. I kind of placed a bid thinking like, oh, I won't get it. Someone will outbid me, and no one did. So by default, I just picked up this one. Even though there were others I kind of had my eye on, this was meant to be, apparently.
So this is the cheapest one you ever got?
It was the cheapest one I've ever gotten.
Okay, so...
But that could be reflected in what I get, because I don't think it's quite as much as I've gotten in other Gaylords, so... maybe that's why it didn't look as full. I don't know. So this has a bunch of Steve Madden tape on it. So they're all the same shoe, it looks like. These are the Forge Navy flat. It's like a tweed flat. I see one listed as pre-owned for $34. So these retail for like $90 or something.
Do they?
Yeah, for $65. And they're on like Zappos.com. So the fact that I can create one listing for all of these different sizes is totally a win in my book. And I think they'll sell for like at least 30 to 40 each.
All right.
This is a brand called Camden Rock. And it doesn't look like the most high quality shoe by any means. It's not real leather. These sold new for $20.
Ooh. Okay, I'm really excited about these.
Don't be.
So I was like, what is it, Lauren Conrad? And you said from the Hills TV show.
Right. I mean, where are my millennials at? The Hills
I
was
watched
a big
that
show.
In 2007.
Yeah.
In college.
Yeah.
And
now,
so
her brand doesn't, you know, do we pick it up at the thrift? No. It says they retail for $60
maybe
each.
It's
and
autographed.
These black faux suede boots.
Mm.
So I'm guessing on these probably like $20, $25. Okay, this looks nice. Ridge cut. And they feel heavy. Waterproof. Okay. Pre-owned, I see comps for like 50 to 70. But since these are new, I don't know, 75, 80.
Okay. Shoes for Cruise. We've seen that many times.
Shoes for Cruise, yeah. Okay, you know, the sad thing is I don't think I've sold any of the Shoes for Cruise yet.
Oh, no, really?
Even though we've had them listed for a couple months. So I probably priced them a little bit too high. But here we go. I mean, it looks nice, and they retail for a lot. It even has like a little tool that helps keep them clean.
Hey,
That's
there you go.
Kind of nice.
What does it clean?
So, the bottom of the shoe.
Oh.
Yeah, you can clean the bottom of the shoe, I guess. So,
sweet.
Comments that I got on that video, the very first video I did about these liquidated items, said that like a Starbucks employee had these kinds of shoes. So they're for like employees or people who are on their feet all day or working and don't want to get their food service, don't want to get their shoes stained. Because I guess these are highly resistant to stains, oils, water, stuff like that. So I think I'll list these for $40 and I think that's a fair price. That's great.
I think you'll like these.
Ooh, Allbirds. Okay, I'm seeing a sticker on here that says Allbirds Rerun. What does that mean? They're pre-owned? They are worn. They have like scuffs on the bottom, so I can't sell these as new.
We got a shoe cleaner on Shoes for Cruise.
We could totally use that. These are called the Allbirds Tree Dasher. They sold new for $100.
Okay.
So I'm thinking if I can get some of those scuffs off and sell them pre-owned with the box, I could get like $75.
This one looks rough. I'm not sure what
Should I sell it with the box? But the shoes look new, so that's great. The women's Ghost 13. They look completely new to me.
What's your expert opinion?
I think these will go for like 85. I think they look great.
UQ.
On cloud.
Okay. It looks like a UQ.
UQ. These are really nice. I actually have sold these on Amazon for like well over $100. These are the On Cloud Cloud X. Brand new, these sell for $100. Yeah, On Cloud is a great brand. So if you see the UQ, go for it. Pick it up. Croft & Barrel is not great at all. And it's kind of it's not a desirable style of shoe by any means. So I do not think I could sell this for more than 20, 25 bucks.
Adidas?
These are great. We love Adidas. Okay, we have the Sambas. I know these. These are just extremely classic. Everyone had a pair of these at some point in their lives, right?
I always had struggles buying cool shoes.
Yeah.
And when I got Adidas's in 10th grade, I stopped getting made fun of for having the worst shoe out of everyone. So they were white with gray stripes.
These will sell for like 65 bucks.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, these are great.
Those should sell quick, right?
They sell quick.
Star Carrot.
Look at how cute. Okay.
Fun.
Love the tiny Converse. In fact, my son Graham wanted Converse so bad when he was a little bit younger because there was a cartoon that wore them. But these are so cute. Yeah, these will be like 20, 30 bucks. They're really cute. Under Armour. Under Armour's great. The Under Armour Charged. These are good. I've sold these in the past for like 35 to 40, so that's probably what they'll sell for. This is a brand called Still, the Dynamic Apron Chap.
Wait, hold on.
Holy cow.
Just based on your face, that was like a $200 like look.
No, $70.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And they look new.
Heck, that's cool. Yeah, they do look brand new.
These are the shoes worn in Downton Abbey. The Bates.
Our favorite character. These are cool, like, gosh, they have a slim ankle.
Huh.
Bates, slip and oil resistant. For men and women in uniform. They do look nice.
Tactical Sport 2.
Okay.
It's not the ones, it's the twos.
Wow.
Come on.
A pair sold for $125.
Alright. A lot of big shoes in here.
I'll have to make sure I charge the appropriate amount of shipping.
Vans are my 8th grade
Vans
shoe.
are very cool. Oh, these are a classic. I mean, they're kids.
Classic.
Darn, it looks like there's a little something on it. This checkerboard slip-ons are great. They are a kid's size, easily removable smudge thing, but yeah, I'd say that's 30 bucks. Easy. FootJoy is a golf brand.
These are golf shoes for a 1-year-old.
Oh, how cute! FootJoys for kids. First Joys. Pre-owned, brand new, 20 bucks. So that's great.
Hey, but what's important is they're cute.
They're so cute.
These feel like premium leather. Streetwear Society.
I think we have a bunch of these. Now, the bonus of these is I know that buy, sell, trade stores take this brand because I've taken them there before and they did well. So
is there a price tag on it?
$30 each. These are faux leather pants.
Wow, a lot of them. Yeah,
buy, sell, trade will take this. So let's...
Well, that'll make it easy.
So can we put this in a bin for BST? Yeah. Where's our BST bin? Okay. Majestic Chicago Bulls 2XL.
Ooh.
We love that size. Okay. I see one that sold... It was sold at auction for $10.
This has a handwritten dollar tag on it.
That is so weird because as I was unloading this, I noticed that quite a few of these look pre-owned and have like a dollar tag on them.
Is this from someone's yard sale?
A boutique or something. So a dry fit pre-owned bra won't sell for more than $5 like on the tag. So that's mid.
Dang.
This is sold on AlanEdmonds.com.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Alan Edmonds.
The MSRP is $195.
Oh, cool.
Grayers.
I bought their shoes on eBay and I love them.
All right, I see some that sold at auction for $55, but we know that things that sell at auction sell for like half usually. So I think that's like a $100 blazer.
Not bad.
Easily. That's great. Vintage shop. I mean, this is again, I think this is pre-owned. Bedazzled pants. That's a no.
Okay,
nothing.
The Impeccable Pig.
I think this is an Anthro brand. It is Anthropologie, and these blouses can sell for like 15 to 25. So it just depends on the style. I mean, it's a little wrinkled.
You're gonna like that one.
Ooh, North Face. Yes. Okay, so this was What is this? Is this a yard sale? What happened? That's so funny. Oh, it's a double XL. Yes, please. Yeah, this is an easy 30 bucks. Probably. That's great. Oh, okay. Lucky Brand. A Lucky Brand men's like knit. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that is nice. This is good. This is like 30 bucks.
Nice.
Yeah, this is good quality.
Unused.
Stance socks.
Those are good.
See, I know these are nice because David wears them. Okay, cool. 10 bucks. So this was another, this looks nice. Taylor Bird. It's got a couple little stains on it. These could be like 25 bucks. Looks like a nice menswear brand. So, yeah, not bad. Oh,
You know,
Steve Madden. This looks to be new.
No.
Pre-owned. Some swimwear. Some more swimwear. LA Hearts isn't great. Really bad condition.
Hey, I've heard of this brand. Impeccable Pig.
Oh yeah, here we go. More.
Just learned
That's
that
great.
one.
Yeah. Like a little simple blue blouse. It's great. This is like, okay, this might be salvageable. This is like a beaded bikini top. That's kind of, I don't see that very much.
And it's got a cool pocket.
Oh.
Don't forget the cool pocket on the front.
Okay, we like Postmark. This is another Anthropologie. And it's got like this cool pocket here. Yeah, that could be good. Yeah, this could be like 20 bucks.
Okay.
25.
Wait, hold. This one says tactical on it.
Yeah, I think we've actually sold 511 Tactical before.
That could be good.
These are the Tactite Pro pants in a good size, 38, 34. The comps are about $35 to $40 for these.
Oh, okay.
So that's great.
I just thought it would have been more.
What's this? Ooh, the North Face. Great. These are the Class V pant. They retail for 60 bucks, so these will probably be 40. That's great.
And there's a date on the back.
Okay.
It expired last year, unfortunately.
Oh, it's like a terry sweatshirt. Organic French cotton, terry crew neck. So maybe like 20-ish. That's fine.
More of those tactical pants.
Great.
Old school.
Oh, okay. Oh, Nike. That's an older tag. And it's got the embroidered logo on the back. We love that. I know that vintage Nike jackets can go for decent money, so maybe like 30, 40 bucks.
Jujube.
Okay, it's like a diaper bag. Okay, so these sell for like $60.
Oh, good.
So
Wait,
maybe
together?
maybe together for a little bit more. Underwear. Okay, these are some Adidas EQT pants. They retail for $75.
Oh.
So that's cool. Oh, Impeccable Pig Anthro. So this is like a scalloped edge suede. Is this suede? Oh, more of the Allen Edmonds,
Cool.
Grayers, Holden corduroy jackets.
Yeah.
Great. These are great.
Those are. Wait, how much was that worth again?
Well, they retail for $195. They could sell for like $75 to $100.
Park Life.
I've never heard of Park Life.
What?
Oh, they look pretty worn. Hot and Delicious.
Is that like a Subway brand?
So it's like a cape. Wait. So it doesn't have sleeves. It's like a cape that opens up. Yeah, I mean, nothing very exciting.
Huh.
I'm seeing comps all over the place. 13, 20, 45, like, I don't know. So I think they were reaching at 20 bucks.
I just looked at the retail price. Just pick a number and I'll say higher or lower.
200.
Higher.
300.
Higher.
400.
Higher.
500?
So higher.
What?
So I don't know. But
Oh my gosh.
still got the tag on it.
Houston. Okay. So, okay. Here's what I know about Houston. This is cool. Wow.
That's
It's like
their
a
best find yet.
backless, like long jersey dress. So there's Houston and there's Houston Heritage. But Houston is like the fancy brand. How do I explain?
Okay, no, it's like St. John's versus St. John's Bay. I was like, are you gonna laugh? Are you gonna give me that
Sorry,
one?
it took me a second. Someone has it listed for $400, but that doesn't mean that's what it'll sell for. Listed for $120. Okay, I think it's probably safe to say this will be like a $150 to $200.
Cool.
I don't think it'll retain all of its ticket value,
Nah, it
all of
never
its sticker
does.
value, but it'll.
That's cool though.
Yeah, this is great. And it's really pretty. Very cool.
Should I place it in the nice pile?
Yeah, place it in the nice pile.
Okay.
I wonder if the Real takes... No, I don't trust the Real anymore. The Real and I are fighting.
Boom.
Okay. No, it's nothing.
No? Okay. Wait.
Yuck. Nope.
Boom. No? Yuck? Okay.
They're fine. Yeah, for summer coming up. And they do look to be in not bad condition.
Okay.
There's a tag on there. Let's see.
It's a very heavy
Gosh, that's huge.
Inspector Gadget trench coat.
Okay. Well, there's a tag. Team Soldier Certified Gear, U.S. Army.
Okay.
Brand new, it's selling for like $30.
You're kidding.
Wait. Okay, wait.
There's
I see
no
one that
way.
sold for $100. Some sold at auction for $30, but this one sold by it now for $100. $50, $60. So yeah, probably between $40 and $60 is what we can get. Oh my gosh. It's a 46R. It's like two of you.
But hey, look. What's important is that I have some Fashion Nova here.
Wait, the CEO of Fashion Nova bought a $150 million house?
That's true. At auction, the one in Bel Air.
Yeah.
There could be treasures galore in this bag.
Okay, what does it say?
It says eBay on it.
Oh. What?
It says eBay on it.
Shut up. Oh
now,
my gosh.
eBay bags go for a lot on eBay.
Wait though, eBay, okay wait, hold on, prediction.
What
These
is
feel like
it?
shoes. Was this authenticated by eBay and being sent to somebody but it got lost?
No, it was fake, and so eBay sent them back.
Oh no,
Do
you think that's it?
They were fake Jordans.
Well, would they put them in, okay, well here they are. Ooh, some Nikes. Oh, those are nice. I'm gonna look up the style. I don't know. I'm not a sneakerhead, so I'm not sure. Hey, authentic without a doubt.
Whoa!
Authenticity
eBay.
guarantee. Congratulations on adding another pair of sneakers to your collection. The enclosed pair have been meticulously inspected by a team of independent experts.
Meticulously. Wow.
So this is authentic.
Hopefully the other one's in there.
They do look pre-owned, so they're not new.
Is it a matching set? Oh, phew.
Oh, they're matching. Okay.
Well, if they bother to authenticate them, doesn't that mean like they're nice? I thought they have to be like over a certain dollar value
They do.
to be authenticated. So it's gonna be good.
Okay, these sold pre-owned for $110.
Woo!
Yeah.
Awesome.
The Vapor Max 2019.
And you get a cool eBay bag.
And I get a cool eBay bag, and I know they're authentic.
That makes yours unique.
Yeah. How crazy is that?
So, you know it's good when they put the shipping label, just smack it right on the clothes.
I don't care.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, this is gross. Yeah.
Don't polybag
Athletic
it.
Works isn't great. Well, this is a brand called Heron Sport 3X. So it's like, okay.
Herons are popular these days.
It's like a cardigan.
Yeah, look.
This will probably be buy, sell, trade.
Well, is that the same one?
Oh no. These look really cool. This is our last thing. Come on, let's end with a bang. They are some Adidas MND.
They look new.
They look really nice. They look brand new. They have like a cool, what is that? Like a cheetah print on them. These are like $200.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
The last thing?
Yeah.
Was like one of the best?
Yeah. 120. I see some for 200 though.
Sold?
Yeah.
Cool.
No, I think we have at least $2,000 here in sales. So
that's good. That's great.
$500 and after fees, at least we made at least
$1,000.
At least $1,000, which is great. I mean, look, these are a ton of work, and you guys have seen me make $1,000 going thrifting. So this one was slightly less successful, but
I think there's some fast moving stuff here.
There's still some exciting stuff, and for $500, I could have done a lot worse. That's for sure. Well, that does it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave your comments down below on anything that I picked up. If you have any knowledge that you can drop, I always appreciate it when you guys chime in. Thanks again, take care, and I will catch you next time. Oh, you have to do work?
Yeah.
Oh, so bad. And you did all this for me?
Yeah.
No, TJ.
I wanted you to get the video up. Love you.
No, I'm sorry.
Mwah.